Now that we have our base fully melted and our API has been fully dissolved, we went ahead and added a little bit of blue colorant. Now we're going to fill 100 cavities with our base here, and what we want to do is a nice even pour throughout. Over all the cavities. Go ahead and fill all these up. Forth. And then with just a quick few swipes, we're able to fill 100 of these cavities. And any runoff will simply be pushed to the side in the trough when we need to. Alright, now that our suppositories are fully cooled and solidified, we're going to demonstrate how to remove them from the Pebble Beach Molt. Simply flip it over and start to twist. As you can see, they all start to fall out. The technology is really in the mold that is already non-stick, allowing for easy removal. And for any stubborn ones, you simply press on the back and they'll pop out. Perfect. And as for packaging for your patient, we recommend an airtight prescription vial. Now that we removed our suppositories from the Pebble Beach mold, we're left with these beautiful, elegant drop-shaped mini suppositories. The shape is ideal for patient comfort and a fast absorption rate. There are two methods of packaging. An airtight prescription vial, which you can alternate between a child-proof safety lock, or flip it over for a non-lock lid. Alternatively, you can package via a blister pack as well. Now we're going to demonstrate how to clean the Pebble Beach mold. As we can see here, we have some residue from the wax. So simply place into the sink. And have your boiling hot water ready. And we're going to pour from an elevated position. The key is pressure and heat. And as you can see, it's already removing all the excess.